Postman started as a fun project. There was no immediate goal of monetizing at that time because Postman was solving a very simple problem.
Abhinav and I have known each other for a long time and learned everything from the same source material. And at the same time, we realized that we were facing the same problem around API development, and we realized that there was no real product or solution to actually solve that problem.
Now the tools for just doing this very simple thing were very complicated, and Postman simplifies this entire process.
So that sort of helps you solve the entire API workflow, right from conception to design to API documentation to distributions, and Postman is the one tool that really helps you unify all these things into one ecosystem.
To solve this whole set of problems of working with APIs, I ended up building Postman as a side project, put it up on the Chrome Web Store, and it kind of took off from there.
Postman didn't have funding, we didn't have an office, we didn't have any major revenue stream.
We have had a lot of inbound interest, ever since we started as a company, but we felt Nexus was the best partner for us. We had a seed round and then we kind of rolled it into a Series A. That was all, and both of them were done by Nexus.
Once you hit issues of scale, once you hit revenue, there is no way you can survive as a product without the leadership team being good or having a good team with you.
There is a significant amount of work that you need to do and system and just mental clarity that you need to achieve. And I think we have gotten to that point of some level of clarity at this point, like 3.5 years after we started the company. One of the first challenges was that we were dealing with a very large user base. The second thing is just the overwhelming amount of information that you have to juggle in your head at all times. And writing your thoughts down, I think, has been my biggest takeaway from that point.
You owe it to yourself to try out what you want to do. Even if it ends up not working out, you'll get plenty of opportunities later on.
Just when you start out as an entrepreneur, you feel like you'll be doing everything. You have to get more specialized people in who are better at what they do, and they complement what your vision is.
A great value for anybody who's involved in entrepreneurship is to make sure that you take defined pauses within the work that you are doing and just look back and see whether this is the right thing to do, rather than being caught up so much into doing so much and just keep moving the train forward continuously without reflecting back at any point in time.
So start ignition, count to 0. I just wanna be a superhero.